Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to copy a link to a video in YouTube. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch this video till the end. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the YouTube app on our devices. And then here, we find any video. And if we want to copy the link, let's say I like this one. I click on these three dots here. And then I click Share, and then I click Copy Link. Now that I've copied this link, I can paste it into any social network and send it to my friends. We can also go through the video. Pause it. And here we can also, where the likes are, there's a Share button. Click here. And we can also click Copy Link. We've copied it. Now we go out and send it to someone. This is the simple way we were able to copy the link to absolutely any video on YouTube. But if you help them like this video, you can give it a like. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you all so much for watching. See you again. Goodbye.